to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about electricity and magnetism applications in medical technology. There are 4 members in our group, which are AINA FARZANA, LYDIA NATASYA, DARWISYAH, and NURUL HUSNA. For the overview of this video, there consists of introduction, explanation of concept electricity and magnetism, detailed exploration, examples of medical technology, potential benefits, challenges, future development, and conclusion from our video. Hi and hello everyone. First of all, we are going to start with the introduction. Do you guys know that you are also a generator of electricity, just as an ant as well? In fact, about every living thing is a generator of electricity. Without electricity, you will not go wrong with the dual property of magnetism as they go hand by hand. So nowadays, magnetic fields are widely used in modern medicine due to their physical and chemical properties. As a result, there are numerous applications for magnets in medicine, ranging from retention as a guide for cataracts in a brain surgery. Permanent magnets are also increasingly being used in clinical applications such as dentures, maxillofacial applications, fracture healing, drug delivery system, orthopedics, and MRI scanners. Aside from that, several magnetic products are available and marketed with claims of pain-relieving effectiveness. However, there has been little research into the ability of magnets to help successfully alleviate the pain.
Next, I will explain to you about the concept of electricity and magnetism. Electricity is the flow of charge, usually through conductor like wire. Magnetism, on the other hand, is a material that attract or repel other objects. When electric current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around it. This is known as electromagnetism. The strength of magnetic field depends on the amount of current flowing through the wire. They are related because an electric current can create a magnetic field, and a changing magnetic field can induce an electric current. This principle is used in various devices like generators and transformers.
Detailed exploration. Due to the ability to generate a very powerful magnetic field, low resistance and high efficiency, electromagnet has often been applied in medicine and scientific equipment. This is why today electromagnet in medicine play a key role in advanced treatment, such as hypothermia treatment for cancer, implants, and magnetic resonance imaging. Today there are countless uses for electromagnet, such as application of electromagnets in industrial robotics, which is closely linked to medicine.
There are a few examples of medical technology that related to electromagnetism. Number 1 is magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. It is a medical imaging that uses a strong magnetic field and radio waves to generate detailed image of the body internal structure. It helps doctors diagnose and monitor various conditions by providing clear image of organs, tissues, and bones. Number 2, electrocardiography, ECG. ECG is a common medical test that measures the electrical activity of the heart. It involves placing electrodes on the body to detect and record the electrical signal produced by the heart contraction. This helps doctors identify irregularities in heart rhythm and diagnose heart condition. Number 3 is defibrillator. Defibrillator helps to restore a normal heart rhythm by delivering controlled electric shock to the heart. They help treat the life-threatening cardiac arrhythmias like ventricular fibrillation and ventricular tachycardia. The last example is transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation, TENS. TENS is used in physiotherapy to provide pain relief. It works by sending low voltage electrical current through electrode placed on the skin near the area of pain. This electrical current helps to stimulate the nerve and block pain signal from reaching the brain.
Next, this video will explain about MRI.
Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI for short, is one of the most fascinating diagnostic procedures known to medicine. The images produced by the big tube can be breathtaking. and provide crucial information on many diseases. But how does it work? Let's take a closer look. An MRI machine produces sectional images in any spatial direction. It can be used to visualize strokes and inflammation, cancer, and damage to muscles, sinews, and tendons. Another specialty is imaging blood vessels and the heart. A normal MRI image basically shows water molecules which all align with the magnetic field produced by the machine. An additional, powerful magnetic impulse deflects the water molecules out of alignment for a brief instant. Then they move back to their original position. The energy released by this process can be measured and translated into an image. Typical MRI machines contain 3 kinds of magnet nested like a Russian doll. The outer layer is a superconducting magnet. Then come the gradient coils. They produce additional magnetic fields in different planes. On the inside are the body coils, which produce the magnetic impulses that deflect the water molecules. Now all that's needed are antennas to record the signals, and those are placed on the patient's body. That's because the very strong magnetic fields required can only be generated efficiently in a narrow tube. To get an idea of what's involved, consider that a modern MRI machine produces a magnetic field around 60,000 times stronger than the Earth's. This requires power equivalent to 11 Formula One cars. Enlarging the opening of the tube is problematic because it greatly increases the amount of energy needed. These machines are incredibly heavy, in most cases between 4 and 7 tons. That's the only reason they're usually located on or below ground level. The fact they weigh so much isn't just a function of the magnetic coils. It's also because of the cooling system. Many hundreds of liters of liquid helium are used to cool the main magnet to an incredible minus 269 degrees Celsius. An MRI scan makes a noise, which is why patients are given ear protection. For many people, it's as if something were circling around them with great force. But in actual fact, the noises come from the magnetic fields produced by the gradient coils being switched rapidly on and off. This leads to vibrations and resonance that sound like knocking and hammering.
Potential benefits. For the first potential benefits is pain management. Managing feet traffic has been explored for its potential in managing chronic pain conditions including arthritis and migraines. Some studies suggest that the therapy can help reduce pain intensity and improve the quality of life. Next, one healing. Certain types of magnetic field therapy like pulse electromagnetic field (EMF) therapy are used in promoting one healing, particularly in case of non-union fracture. And last but not least, in mental health. Some research indicates that magnetic field therapy could have potential benefits in managing mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. However, more research is required in this area. For challenge, we have identifying specific target vectors. Difficulty in identifying target vectors defined specifically and with a high affinity to a particular medical target essential for effective contrast agent design. Next, we have a reducing pain and muscle contraction. The challenge involves eliminating electroporation, induced pain and muscle contraction without using a total body paralyzing agents to simplify its use in medicine.
Next, future development. The first one is wideband medical radar. Painful mammogram requiring the patient to stand while her breast is compressed in an X-ray machine might be soon a thing of the past. This machine is developed to imaging breast cancer using radio wave instead of sound or radiation. Medical radar use electromagnetic similar to a microwave oven or cell phone but at extremely low power. Fast and easy to use technology that the process takes less than a minute and both breasts can be scanned while the patient lies comfortably on a table. The second one is electromagnetic acoustic imaging, EMAI. Electromagnetic acoustic imaging, EMAI, is an emerging imaging technology that combines bioelectromagnetism with acoustic. The result is an ultrasound device that's safer than compute tomography, CT scan, and can provide images that approach MRI quality. Electromagnetic acoustic imaging is an excellent technology for diagnosing a whole range of tumors despite their location, since it has the ability to penetrate much more deeply into the body than the light.
Conclusion. Finally, the integration of electricity and magnetism has had a significant effect on medical technology across a wide range of applications. For MRI imaging to cutting-edge medicine, this synergy drive innovation, enhancing the diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Accepting continuous development in this subject has enormous potential for new breakthrough
Last but
in
not
improving
least,
global
these are
healthcare
a few
standards.
sources that we took as reference for our video. Thank you for watching.